Joe Biden has finished his first day as president. It followed a speech in which he called for unity, asking Americans to start afresh, even if they hadn't voted for him. He reminded Americans that democracy was fragile, but that it had prevailed. By the middle of the afternoon, he was signing a whole raft of executive orders, including rejoining the World Health Organization, rejoining the Paris Climate Accord, stopping the Muslim-majority travel ban, and ending funding to the border wall, essentially reversing a number of key Trump policies on his very first day in office. He also started a path to citizenship as part of his immigration reform, trying to give some 11 million undocumented Americans here in the US the opportunity to gain citizenship. We also heard from the new press secretary, Jen Psaki. She promised to return truth and transparency to the White House, of course following 4 years after accusations of fake news were constantly levelled at the press from the press secretary's podium. However, Joe Biden will find all of his plans over the coming months somewhat complicated due to the fact that at the moment he only has one cabinet nominee confirmed by the Senate. That was Avril Haines, the Director of National Intelligence. She was confirmed by the Senate late on Wednesday. It's unfortunate to only have one cabinet member approved on his first day in office, and he'll now need to work to get as many confirmed as quickly as possible. Complicating that, though, is the impeachment trial of Donald Trump hanging over Congress. The Senate needs to decide whether or not he was guilty of inciting insurrection following that rioting that took place on Capitol Hill 2 weeks ago. Articles of impeachment will travel from the House to the Senate within the next few days, we're told. A trial could start as early as next week, but some Biden aides are cautioning him to try and work on those cabinet confirmations first and the general policies that he wants to put in place before that impeachment trial begins. Nick Harper, SABC News, Washington.